Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tech. So today we have a very interesting topic, and that is clicker game. So today we are going to make a game that is called clicker game. So let's start. First of all, I have deleted this sprite. Then we have to click any sprite you want, whichever you want you can select. Okay, whichever you want you could take. I am taking this star. After this we have to take a background from here, from left corner right here, from clicking on this button. After that we have to take any background we want. I am going to take these stars because this suits on this. Now as you can see our sprite looks very small, so let's increase this size from here to 250. Yeah, that's perfect. Now our star looks bigger. Okay, so now let's start our coding. First we have to go to events. We always drag the when green flag clicked, but this time we are going to drag when sprite clicked, and we are going to go to sounds and play sound collect. Yeah, this sound. We are going to get this. Now if we click on this sprite, it should make sound. Yeah, now it makes sound when you click on this sprite. Okay, so now we have to, whenever this sprite is clicked, the score should change by 1. To do that we have to go to variables and we have to create a variable named p. Yeah, we have to create a variable named points. Now you can see here, we can see variable points from right here. Then we have to drag this block right here, change my variable by 1. So when this sprite is clicked, our points should change by 1. To change this my variable to points, now when we click this, our score is changing by 1. Now when we click the object, our score it makes a sound and our scores change by 1. Okay, so when we start the project, our score should restart to 0. To do that we have to drag this when green flag click from events category, then again go back to variables and drag this set variable to 0. So when we click the green flag, our point should be set to 0. Okay, so when we click this green flag, our points are set to 0. Perfect. So let's move to another coding. Okay, so now to make this game satisfying, we have to set the size from here. We have to go to looks category and drag this set size to 100%. When if we do that, the size becomes small. So let's make it 260%. Okay, now our sprite is 260%. Then we have to again take the same block that is set size 2, and we have to get it to 240%. Now we have to go to controls and drag this wait 1 second. So when we click on this, it will set the size to 260 and then it will come back to 240. So we have to add this right here and let's start. Okay, so it is taking too much time, so that's why we have to change the time from 1 second to 0.05 seconds. Now it should work. See, our sprite is getting bigger and small. Okay, so now our sprite is getting bigger and smaller every time we click, and it also makes points, and when we click green flag, the score is set to 0. Okay, so now we did this game. You can also pick whichever sound you want from this sound category. We just have to go to this sound category and then go to sounds, and from here left corner we can click this block and we could see sounds right here. Yeah, these are all the sounds we have. You can choose whichever sound we want, but they give one sound that is collect. This is which sound we have, so you can choose any sound you want. And when you play this game, see, this game is very fun to play. When you click, you get points, and when you click green flag, the game is reset. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Most of you are not subscribed to the channel, so subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.